Howdy, partners! Welcome to the Wild West. For your own safety, it's best you keep your hands and arms inside the boat at all times.
Not gonna lie, I feel like I'm back on Big Thunder Mountain.
Welcome to the Wild
I was just about to
West.
say.
For your own safety, it's
Look at
best
this.
you keep your hands and arms inside the boat at all times.
Where are we going?
Backwards. Wait, someone say backwards? How's that gonna work? Yeah, that's how you start a ride. This way.
No way. It just like backs us up, and I guess.
Oh, that's so cool. Now we're going forwards again. Oh, that scared me. Oh, that scared me. Really, we didn't know we were at.
It's so quiet.
It was so noisy, now it's so quiet. What's going on here?
I'm about to get shot with water.
I got some surprises back here somewhere.
毕业就話獅子亦記到話 the dog， 記到話 the dog， 話係話 the day， 以上力支持還顧嘅啦，我係我。
Agreed. Dodge City.
That's cool.
Oh, right, okay. Who's it going to be?
Yo, this is a long ride.
No way. No way. Oh.
Thank God. We're gonna stay off.
Yeah, imagine if it turned off and then turned on again right as you got away.
Oh, it's gonna be the big drop. It's about to be the big drop. Man, we're going all the way to the side. after we're in.
What a video. Oh no.
Oh, here's the drop.
I'm so good about it. Oh no.
Oh no, that's a big drop.
No.
That's a big drop.
Oh no.
Alright, I think the shoes are safe.
Yeah. I like that. Do you know why? The shoes are chill.
Whoa. Oh, that was a long ride.
That is. That's a cool bell line.
Oh, I think it opens so far.
Yeah, that was perfect. It was like.